All right, unfortunately, yesterday the Lambo ran into some trouble 3 days into ownership. Nothing too serious. I managed to somehow, I think Sunday around mid-afternoon, I ran over a screw or a nail of some sort. Now the tire was dropping really quick. I know with a nail, it's usually a slow leak, you don't find out right away. But it was dropping about 20 to 30% of the entire air capacity every hour. So I filled it up once at a gas station. I'm like, okay, weird, the tire got pretty low. In the back of my mind, I'm like, did I hit a nail? I kind of thought about it. An hour later, it was right back down, and it's like, 30% drop. And keep in mind, this was on Sunday, so dealerships are closed, right? Dealers aren't open. I took it to Firestone, which is a local shop. I've had work done on my M4 before. They do a great job, they're nice guys. Unfortunately, the machines they have could not get the rim off because it's got custom rims, whatever, the Lamborghini bolts, they can't do it. So thankfully, since I know them, do a lot of business through Firestone, they let me keep it there inside in a stall because it obviously would deflate overnight. It's okay if it's sitting on rubber when it deflates, but the thing is, if I brought that to my garage here, I wouldn't be able to reinflate it to then get it to Lamborghini. So I actually called Lamborghini this morning. Today was a holiday, or is a holiday. I thought that they were closed, but apparently they're open. I called them, they don't do tire repairs. However, they gave me the name of a shop that does. So I gotta go pick up the Lambo right now. I'm gonna have to leave the M4 at the Firestone spot, take the Lambo, then, actually, I don't even know how I'm gonna get back, but anyway, I'll Uber or something, pick up the M4, come back here, and I gotta be back for an hour to head out to a meeting, then do a couple calls. I got a couple of my sales guys coming over as well. So, not the best situation. It's not gonna be a big deal. If they can't fix it, it'll be a couple $100 or something. I don't think they'll need a new tire. It's nothing terrible. But yeah, I wanted to keep you guys updated with that. Let's go jump in the car and we'll see what happens. Both of the cars actually need to get cleaned and detailed very badly. So I'm gonna get that done as soon as I have them both back. But thankfully the Firestone thing is only like 3 minutes away. So we're gonna head there now, rush over and get it done. All right, this has taken a very undesirable turn, not in my favor. I tried to cancel a meeting that I had at noon. They couldn't even reschedule for 1 or 2. So that'll have to happen another day because I am headed about 25 minutes away to my buddies. Let me actually switch this into auto so I can drive safely a little bit. Going to my buddy's warehouse. You guys might know him, Jeff, JR Garage, commonly known on YouTube, because they have the lug nut bolt that I need, the Discount Tire doesn't have. So he's gonna hook me up with one of those. Well, I gotta go drop it off after too, but yeah, so hopefully Discount Tire can get that good to go. I gotta head up there, pick it up real quick, go back down. It'll be about a 45-minute round trip. Hopefully the tire doesn't explode because it's consistently dropping, but I'll drive carefully and yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get there because we're going to the warehouse. So he's got a bunch of cool cars. All right, Jeff is out here saving lives, hooking it up. Wasn't this like the fastest car in the world?
Yeah, 250 miles an hour. It goes from 0 to a half-mile point, it'll go 225 miles an hour.
Oh my God.
That's when it works.
Look at that, let me grab my phone. Mission accomplished. Thank you. We got it. We got the dining room table set up. Looking all professional, little temporary setup going. We are going to pick up the Lambo. Discount Tire sent me a text. They said it's done, it's good to go. I just got off a call with a client, so I guess we're good to go. I don't have much else going on like the next 30 minutes. Hopefully they fixed it good. If it keeps leaking, I'm just gonna have to get it replaced, but the tires still have a lot of tread on them, so I'd rather save them, or if I'm gonna get new ones, I wanna burn them off and have some fun, So we're gonna go pick it up, and hopefully everything's all good. All right, she's fixed. All right, real quick, I know it just cut to this clip randomly, but I feel like I needed to throw this in and end this off with explaining what happened. So, as you guys know, there was an issue with the Lamborghini. I know a lot of people are probably gonna click on this thinking maybe I wrecked it or this or that. It was kind of funny. I'll see if I can insert this Snapchat here. I actually saw a car accident the other day. It was a terrible thing. I was in this bar. It was like I was getting some food for deliveries. Like it's only a little sports bar open at night. And I literally heard this. I was inside Evo in Old Town Scottsdale, for any of you in Arizona, and I was looking at the bar this way. The road's behind me, and it's all glass walls, and I hear this crazy sound. I look over and I see the last like 1 foot movement of this SUV upside down, facing the wrong way, sliding to a stop on the cement on the sidewalk. And that blew my mind. Like 15 police officers undercover, marked units, 2 fire trucks, 2 ambulances were there within like 6 minutes. And it was the craziest thing. I took a Snapchat. I'm like, I hope everybody else is, everybody's okay. And a lot of people thought that it was my Lamborghini for a second. I got about 10 to 15 DMs saying that. So my point of that, I know some people might try and make fun of me. Hitting a nail is not, you know, your problem. That's happened to my dad, whatever. It's not a big deal. So if you're saying that, say what you want. It actually costed nothing to fix it, which was cool. Not really the biggest deal, but it's always nice. So yeah, the other thing I want to point out about the Lamborghini that I didn't really expect, it takes the same like amount of gas as this M4. Like it's not, you know, I'll drive it for a couple days, you'll fill it up every 2 days, 3 days. It's the same thing, pretty much the same price. It's like $5–10 bucks more a tank. That's about it. So yeah, I actually haven't driven it in the last day, actually all day today and most of the day yesterday. So I'm excited to go back in, get a really nice cold start tomorrow morning. But hey, I love the car. Little things happen, whatever. I'm gonna let you guys know about like when I service it, all that stuff. But I'm gonna make a video explaining the car, the purchase, the aspects behind it, why I did it, the certain deal, and definitely the insurance cost, because if I told you that right now, it would leave you mind blown. So I'm gonna save that for another video, the whole struggle going through that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you dropped a like down below. Let me know in the comments what one of your dream cars are, or is, what your dream car is, or dream cars are, if you want plural. I'm someone who wants multiple vehicles. This is actually my first time, like the last week, owning multiple vehicles, like 2 at the same time. It's really cool, like especially when I have someone else driving one of them, and like it just feels good. It's like a cool thing. I have an option. You know, I've been driving this the last day and a half. It's a little bit bigger, more comfortable. I've had a few more people. Currently, you guys will be seeing a video coming soon. I have the giveaway winner with me, who was flown out this week, who won the giveaway in December, the end of December. For December's giveaway, we flew out this super cool giveaway winner. Just dropped him off at the hotel. I'm literally in the parking lot right now, headed back. But again, if you guys enjoyed the video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you drop a like. If you're any, you know, bit into cars, you like certain types of cars, I would love to have a discussion with you in the comments down below. I'm definitely someone who very much so appreciates that art form, at least for certain types of vehicles. You know, everyone has their own thing. But yeah, other than that, I will be seeing you guys tomorrow in the next video. Take care. Peace.